Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, we will fix the status access violation error in Zoom using simple browser and system settings that often cause crashes or loading problems when you try to start or join meetings step by step. In Chrome, type chrome://flags and search for Use Angle Graphics. Choose Angle Graphics from default to D3D11 or D3D9 and then relaunch your browser. This helps improve rendering stability in Zoom web calls and can reduce graphics-related errors during meetings and streaming issues. Next, open Chrome settings, go to System, and turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available, then restart Chrome. This prevents hardware conflicts that often trigger Zoom display errors and improves overall browser performance stability here. Disable all active extensions, especially ad blockers and third-party tools, because they can interfere with Zoom streaming scripts. Remove or test them one by one to find conflicts quickly. After doing these steps, reopen Zoom and check if the error is fixed completely now. Thanks for watching.